plus how that ends up being. I'd say Farmer Joe would win in that three-way battle of death. Except for Eric Nate basically told me, since I'm a lawnmower guy, that he looked at me and he goes, "You would." It's like, oh my god. Yeah, shout out to Eric Nate. Yeah, which is awesome that he said I can win that fight, but I don't know if they're up against a Coffee Joe or a Farmer Joe. I mean, think about it, Larry. These two dudes can lift over 5,000 pounds of coffee and a cow, and think I can only lift up a 500-pound lawnmower. Which is kind of sucks and stupid that I'm the only one that can. Or basically fix a lawnmower, but I don't have that credentials. I mean, I'm like, what the hell, man? Why did you choose me to win a fight?
I don't know.
Which is kind of stupid.
Fight.
Yep. I should go get that. Thank you. Oh, the problem is, Larry, I'm not even a Joe. Just let it up. He's charging. Yeah. I mean, come to think of it, who would actually win against me besides two Joes, which is a Coffee Joe and Farmer Joe? I know Coffee Joe would lift up a 5,000-pound bag of coffee beans and help the customer near him. Yeah. Yeah. And all I can do is lift up a 500-pound lawnmower. If I'm lucky. And if I'm not tired. That makes you call. Nope. Yep. That's a call. Yeah, I would lose that fight with the two Joes. I should grab my keys out of my backpack.